children. Good afternoon to everyone. Very good afternoon, Fayaz. Okay. See children, what is our subject name? What is our subject name? Rasna. This is Telugu class. This is Telugu class. Rasna, are you listening? Silver Ritish. Now, what is our subject name, Mama? EVS. Don't say EVS. Environmental Studies. Okay? All of you say Environmental Studies. What is our subject name? What is our subject name? Environmental Studies. Okay? All of you sit properly and keep your mobile properly. Don't shake your mobile. And see children, what is our lesson name? Weather and Seasons. Weather and Seasons. And see, in previous class, what we learned? We learned seasons. We have how many seasons in India? How many seasons in India? How many? Very good, Udit. We have 3 main seasons in India. What are that? Rainy season, very good. Meghana. Winter season, summer season. Very good. Very good, Manidip. You are also very good. Yes, we have 3 main seasons in our country. And what are that? Summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Okay? These 3 seasons are completed. I explained in previous classes only. Okay? And see, we have 2 more seasons. These are 2 short seasons. 3 main seasons have. What are that? Summer, rainy and winter. And again, we have 2 short seasons. Okay? In our country, there are 2 short seasons. 2 short seasons. There are the first 3 main seasons. Don't confuse children here. Because of 3 main seasons. Summer, rainy and winter. And these are the 2 short seasons. In that 3 main seasons, these 2 short seasons are scaled between the some 2 seasons. Rainy season and winter season. Okay, like that. Okay. What are that? We have 2 short seasons in India. Okay, what are the first one is autumn season. Autumn season. And second one is spring season. Second one is what? Spring season. These are the 2 short seasons. Okay, autumn season and spring season. Okay, in autumn season, this is October and November. Okay, autumn season is 2 months. Autumn season in how many months? Only 2 months. What are that? October and November. Only these 2 months autumn season is there. Okay, and here in this season weather is neither hot or cold. Neither hot or cold. See, in October and November means already we completed. Means in Dasara season, the weather is daytime is full hot and at night time sometimes cold. Means weather is neither hot otherwise cold. Okay, in autumn season is 2 months. This is a short season. Okay, October and November. This season is October and November. And in this season, weather is neither hot or cold. And see, in this season, the trees shed their leaves. In this season, trees shed their leaves. Shed their leaves means the total shed their leaves means the trees have only leaves. Means that leaves are fell down in these 2 months, October and November. Okay, in autumn season, the trees shed their leaves. Now I will show one picture. See here. Yes, see like this. This season, see here, you observe the tree. What happened in this tree? The tree total shed their leaves means she is left the leaves. That leaves are falling down. Okay? Means after that, the tree, new leaves will come. Okay? In after season, the trees become new leaves. Okay? We have 3 main seasons and there are 2 short seasons. What are that? Autumn season and spring season. Okay? In autumn season is short season. It is October and November. Okay? And in this season, the weather neither hot otherwise cold. Means sometimes hot and sometimes cold. Okay, and in this season, in autumn season, the trees shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves. Okay, shed their leaves means the leaves total falling down from the tree. Okay, children, did you understand? Yes. Next is spring season. Next is which season? Spring season. See here, in the spring season, it is during the month of February and March. It is during the spring season, during the February and March. In this season, here trees shed their leaves. But in this season, the trees were full of flowers. The trees have full of flowers and full of leaves. New leaves will come. Okay? In this season, full of flowers. And full of flowers and trees have new leaves. Trees have new leaves. Okay, in spring season, it is during the February and March. This is spring season also. It is a short season. Spring also it is a short season, and it is February and March. Okay, and in this season, the trees full of flowers and trees have new leaves. And see, this is in this season, weather is very pleasant. In this season, weather is very pleasant. Pleasant. Okay? Weather is very pleasant. Pleasant means what? The plants, trees are full of flowers and the trees have new leaves. Means that is very pleasant weather. Pleasant Weather. Pleasant weather means it is cool. Okay, it is cool and very what we said. Sometimes hot, sometimes cool, but it is a when see you in our home also. So now this is the season to the flowers, no? So our plant grows a grows a flowers. So what happens? What we feel? We feel happy. Yes, we feel happy. Again, 26 only. Okay. In the spring season is a short season. It is during to February and March months. This is a 2 months only. And here autumn season also we have only 2 months. October and November. And here spring season also February and March. Okay, in this season the weather is very pleasant and it is same either very hot either very cold. For we see in this February month and March we see some afternoon time the weather is very hot and at night time the weather is cool. Yes, children. In February and March, these 2 months, you observe that in these 2 months, afternoon time weather is very hot. Okay, and after at night time weather is very cool. Means neither very hot or very cool. Okay, and in this month the trees full of flowers. The trees have full of flowers and trees have new leaves also. Trees have new leaves and full of flowers. Here total shed their leaves in this autumn season. But in the spring season, new leaves and full of flowers. The trees have full of flowers and new leaves. Okay, this is the spring season. Okay, children, did you understand all of you? Do you understand enough? Yes, about these two seasons. First we have three main seasons in India. What are that? Summer season, rainy season, and winter season. We have three main seasons in India. And after that, we have two short seasons. We have two short seasons. What are that? Autumn season and spring season. In autumn season is during the October and November month. Autumn season during October and November month. And in this season, weather is either hot or either cool. And in this season, the trees shed their leaves. Means the total leaves are shedding down. Means total leaves fell down. Okay? And in the spring season during the February and March. In this season, weather is very pleasant. The weather is very pleasant. And in this season, the trees have full of flowers and new leaves. The trees have full of flowers and new leaves. Okay, this is our lesson. What is that? Weather and seasons. What is our lesson name? What is our lesson name? Weather and seasons. Don't write, Nana. Don't write. Minimala Harshita. Minimala Harshita. And Manideep, what is our lesson name? Very good. Weather and seasons. Okay, Bindu. How many seasons we have? We have main seasons. What are that? How many seasons we have? Yes, very good, Mani. Bindu. Ruksara, very good, Nana. Yes, we have. Yes, Fayaz, very good. Srija, very good. Okay. We have 3 main seasons in India. Now I will ask the questions about this lesson. Okay. I will ask the question. Just unmute your mobile. Okay. What are that? We have 3 main seasons in India. Okay. What are that? On your videos, first of all of you. On your videos. Vinny, Sakshi, Hemasri, Siddiq, Srujan, Shrija, and Rasna. Okay? Okay, now see all of you. Mutiara Sai Charan on your video. We have 3 main seasons in India. What are that? Manisha, or Manisha. Unmute your mobile, Nana. Manisha. Unmute your mobile and give the answer. Unmute your mobile, Manisha. What are that, Nana? We have 3 seasons now. What are that? Say that season's name.
Rain season. Rain season.
Rainy season. Okay, next.
Sun season.
What happened now? Say next one. Next, we have 3 seasons now. Okay, next, Bandi Aradhya. Bandi Aradhya. Unmute your mobile. Okay. Okay, how many seasons we have, Nana?
Winter, rainy, summer.
Very good. Winter, rainy, and summer. Very good, Aradhya. Very good. Okay. And next, in winter season, what we used? Which things we do? We want to like? Arige Bindu. Unmute your mobile. Arige Bindu. See, okay. See here. Look at first. Listen carefully, Nana. In winter season, which type of food we want to like? Arige Bindu. What happened? Okay. Next. Sarah Bindu. First unmute your mobile. Okay, next Silver Ritish. Silver Ritish, unmute your mobile. Here mute again. Okay, now unmute. In winter season, which type of food we want to eat? Huh? What happened? Sidra? Very good, Udit. Very good. Sidra? Unmute, Nana. In winter season, the weather is very cool, na? So, what do we, which type of food do we like to eat or drink?
Tea, coffee,
Huh?
soup.
Very
Tea,
good.
coffee,
Very,
soup.
yes. Very good, Nana. Tea, coffee, or soup. Very good. Sidra, very good. Next, in summer season. In summer season also, we want to drink some drinks or food items. In summer season, which type of drinks or food items we want to? We like Fayaz. Unmute your mobile. Cool drinks, very good.
Ice creams.
Ice cream. So what happened? Yes, correct only. That is correct only. Yes, cool drinks, ice creams, and cold water also. Yes? Okay, very good. And here, see, in winter season, which type of clothes we wear? Manideep, unmute your mobile.
What is your question?
In winter season, which type of clothes we wear?
Woolen clothes.
Woolen clothes. From where do we get from wool?
Sheep's hair.
Very good, very good. Very good, Nana. And now, Minimala Harshita. Don't write, unmute your mobile. Unmute your mobile. In rainy season, what we use? How do we protect from rain? First, unmute your mobile. Unmute your mobile, Nana. Unmute. Yes, Meghana, very good. Yes. And yeah. What happened now? Minimala Harshita. Minimala Harshita. And say Mahatkar Aradhya. Mahatkar Aradhya. Unmute your mobile, Nana. Mahatkar Aradhya. Okay, you know the question? Are you listening? Are you listening the question? Mahatkar Aradhya. Unmute your mobile, Nana. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good, Nana. Say, in rainy season, which type of clothes we wear? Means in rainy season, how do we protect from rain?
Raincoat. Raincoat.
Very good. And Only one
Raincoat,
raincoat.
Arjun. Umbrella.
Very good. Umbrella.
Arjun. Asama. Raincoat, umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella.
And which shoe purpose also we use something.
Amante? Yes.
What are that?
Amante.
Gumboot. Okay. We use raincoats, umbrellas, and gumboots in rainy season. Okay. Very good, Nana. Today's homework is all of you read the weather and seasons lesson. Okay, all of you read weather and seasons lesson. Don't forget and underline the hard words also. Okay, underline the hard words also. In second class, most of the children did not writing the homework way. And in this total UKG, first, second, third, fourth, these all classes writing very well. But second class only not writing anything. Why are you bad class? You are bad class. No need to send the next class, I think. So you also complete your homework in time only. Okay, children. Okay, this is your lesson. Thank you. Thank you very much. Today's homework is read weather and seasons lesson and underline the hard words also and take pic and send to me. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you very much. టీచర్ అక్కడ చూడండి టైం 30.